If you are looking for the best electrician in Wigan and the surrounding areas, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be introducing you to the best electrical contractor in Wigan, and I'm going to be sharing with you first of all a few reasons why I consider these to be the #1 electrician in Wigan. Well, the first reason is they're community driven. What do I mean by that? Well, that means that they are giving back to the community, actively donating their time and their money to local community projects in the Wigan area. The second massive reason, they have over 100 positive reviews on Google. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the #1 electrical contractors in Wigan.
Hi, I'm Graham from GHE Electrical Fire and Security Limited in Wigan. Installation, service, maintenance and repair contractor who cover the North West for all your installation, service, maintenance and repair jobs. Today we're at a job in Wigan, an emergency call out. Actually attended this job within 20 minutes after numerous attempts to try and get hold of other electricians. Obviously it is busy for people, but we was lucky we had people in the area. We sent 2 of our engineers down, and like I said, we was here within 20 minutes, which is pretty good response time really for any company.
Upgrade your fuse board to a metal fuse board. Just upgraded accessories and like sockets, switches, lights, just better than old stuff. IP rated spotlights and just work better and like.
I'm Akil from GHE Wigan. We're doing the full electrical package on these new build houses. We're doing alarms, everything from first fix and second fix inside to outside sockets and lights. It's coming up to a year now at GHE. I'm really enjoying it. We do a wide variety of different electrical works at GHE, so it's a good experience. What I like the best, we work as a team. We have a laugh at work. I look forward to coming in work because I enjoy what I'm doing.
Changing emergency lights after a failed emergency light test. Compliance really for landlords, so if they've got tenants, they need to be able to see it dark as a power cut. That's about it really. 3 years. I started with GHE 3 years ago as an apprentice, and I've currently in my 2nd year now.
Yeah, so basically at this property here, commercial property in Wigan, done an IP 8 megapixel CCTV system, both video and audio. We've also just doing some maintenance work on the fire alarm and the emergency lighting as well. Yeah, that's that job here in Wigan.